Hey Riddoch friends, today I present to you a very special deal. Today we are located in Fountain, Colorado, a community known for its strong military presence. And located behind me is a tastefully revitalized rancher. Might I present to you 312 North Main Street. Here in this family-friendly community, you will find plenty of activities to keep you preoccupied, especially during these warm months ahead. Aga Park is right around the corner and provides not only open space, but also a water park to splash around in. Fountain Middle School can be found less than a mile away, providing an easy commute for all growing families. And for all my dog lovers out there, we have Metcalf Park within walking distance, offering an additional water park, playgrounds, and BMX course. Here on the exterior of the house, we have some pretty unique features. Let's start off with the driveway. We have two driveway parking spaces. One of them is elongated to fit multiple cars. Another one leads to the one-car garage. We have a stone accent piece here in the center of the exterior of the house that really complements the scenery around the neighborhood. As we wrap around to the backyard, you will find a tough shed with loft space and electric hookups. On top of all these amazing features, the seller has recently replaced the entire plumbing system with PEX piping. Now let's go take a look at the interior to see the tasteful updates the seller has done. Once you step inside this house, you're going to notice the tasteful updates all throughout the living spaces. Now this main level has real hardwood floors running throughout the top level. These are not the cheap kind, not the laminate, real hardwood floors. Now I want you to take in this open space because your mind is going to run rampant once you see it. Directly to the left of the entryway, you're going to find a breakfast bar and the tastefully updated kitchen. Inside the kitchen, you will find new LVP flooring, as well as stainless steel appliances the seller has just put in. This includes a double oven, microwave, dishwasher, refrigerator, all set to stay with the property. I want you to check out this master bedroom. I mean, really take it in. The seller spared no expenses updating this place. We have an updated vanity, updated bathroom, updated flooring. Everything inside here has been tastefully remodeled. Come on, let's go take a closer look. Here in the master bath, you're going to find this beautiful tile surround that complements the built-in storage space and updated fixtures. Along with that, you will also find the master closet. As we flow down the hall to the master bedroom, you're going to find an additional bathroom, once again with updated vanity as well. Here on this main level as well, directly off this very generous family area, you're going to find a dual room. It can be used as both your laundry area and an office space. This is where things get interesting. This home has not one, but two lower living spaces. And did I mention, each one of these living spaces is controlled by its own smart thermostat. Here in this first lower living area, you're going to find walkout access to this backyard and expansive deck space, as well as boiler room behind me, which has access to your brand new water softener and combo boiler, which heats the water in the house and the baseboard heating. As we make our way down to the last living area, the fully finished basement, you're going to find a recently steam cleaned carpet, a stone inlaid wood burning fireplace, and a wet bar with additional kitchen appliances. This area makes the perfect space for entertaining all your guests, family, and friends. Down here in the fully finished basement, you will also find two very spacious bedrooms. Each can easily accommodate a king-size bed. And if you haven't noticed already, every single one of the vanities inside this home has been updated. Much like the master bath, you will find one of these guest rooms has a fully renovated bathroom as well. As always, this property does come with our 14-month Blue Ribbon home warranty, transferable to the buyer upon closing. If you would like more information on my team and some of our other amazing listings, feel free to visit our website, www.makespringshome.com. For a private tour on this property, please give me a phone call, 719-358-3021. Thank you, and I'll catch you at the next one.